Hello friends, and welcome to another vlog, because today I'm going to take you with me as I film the crochet tutorial for the nativity scene. Let's head into finding the perfect spot to film, because in my office it's a bit loud at the moment because it's me and my husband that works in the same space. So I'm going to start off by filming the tutorial for Mary, and this is Mary, where I will be creating the crochet tutorial, and I would think I will have multiple videos for these tutorials just so they don't be too long. So I have the patterns written and everything, so I just need to put them on my computer together with some photographs so you have a visual aid of what's going on, and also the video tutorial so you can have a better explanation of what needs to be done, especially for those beginners that would love to create this. I'm sorry if my voice is a bit rough, but I'm currently a little bit sick. But this needs to be done and finished because Christmas will be... it's so close, it's very soon. So I need to finish these off. So for colors, I'm actually using the brand Ice Yarns, and these are 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. They are a size 2, which is fine. And when bought, these come in a packet of 8. I have posted back a few months ago a yarn haul where I showed these colors. They're very beautiful, so I totally recommend that you watch the yarn haul to see the colors. Set up. I just need my other tripod, which I use for tutorial. I do not 100% recommend this because it's a little bit flimsy. The inclination is so wrong that it bugs me every time I view the videos. Anyway, I will now grab a chair and I will start the tutorial for Holy Mary.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the
So it's been a few hours now, and this is where I'm at in my tutorial, which has been a bit longer than I thought I would take. I always overestimate myself. Anyway, so now I'm off to have some lunch and then pick up the kids from school. And in the afternoon we have an errand to run, so I don't think I will have much time to work on the tutorial per se, but I will start on the written pattern. So I will be writing the pattern in the afternoon and using some shots which I have already taken this morning of the project as I crocheted it. So we've started. It's a good start. I think it's a good start. There's always tomorrow and the next day. I'm trying to use most of it. Let's have some lunch.
souls out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents, the other. Beyond gravel, beyond known. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
It's the next day, and today I'm going to continue working on the body of Mary. I'm going to finish off the head and then move on to the hands, cloak and everything. I'm hoping to get Mary finished today. Also, a recap what was done yesterday. I managed to write the pattern on a Word document online, so now at least I have it on my computer, and then eventually I will get some shots from the tutorial that I'm filming to include them in the pattern for easier visual aid when going through the pattern. I'm hoping my filming today will be fine as for lighting, because it is very cloudy today. I'm not complaining if it rains, but it obviously interrupts the flow of filming. So here's my coffee, and I'm going to start to continue filming the tutorial. I'm currently doing the tutorial for the hands. I'm really loving these colors and watching some YouTube, and obviously drinking some herbal teas. And it is nearly noon already. I don't have much time working in silence because the kids will be home. During that time, I will probably better spend my time working on the written pattern. It does take a toll crocheting for a long time, especially amigurumi, because it's tiny work, and I start to feel it in my shoulders usually. I have actually, let me show you the finished body and the base for our Mary, and it's looking very good, and she can stand all on her own, which is perfect. Now the plan is to work on the second portion of the video, which is video part 2, and that is a tutorial for the hands, hair and the cloak. Yes. And then combining everything together. At least I will have Mary done by, let's say, tomorrow. I want to finish it today, but I'm overestimating myself as usual. Anyway, let's keep crocheting these arms. So I have the arms ready, and I have finished the curls. Actually, here's the head. It looks like an octopus at the moment, but I have come to a stop because I'm in a dilemma of which colors to use. So for this one, for which colors to use for the cloak, for this one I used the blue, another blue, which I will not be showing in this tutorial, and then have a light lining at the edge. At first I was thinking of doing the white and have this white with the lining in this blue, But then I thought of doing it in this light blue and have the lining using the main blue. And I'm liking this idea better. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. So the time is up and I need to pick up my kids very soon, and my battery is low, so I need to charge my phone. So I need to charge my phone and then I will transfer my videos on my laptop and continue working on the pattern writing. But first, lunch. Mary's finally done. I'm just taking the last final shots, hence the little setup. And now I'm going to have about an hour to pick up the kids. I'm going to start on baby Jesus. Hopefully 1 hour is enough for baby Jesus. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so baby Jesus is complete. We have the arms and the body. So next I will need to do the blanket and the crib. But now it is 2:15 and I need to pick up my kids. So let's go. Maltese weather. It's October and it's scorching hot. A bit windy, thankfully. I'm back. I'm tired, but I'm going to struggle through the next hour because the kids are at their extracurricular activities at the moment. And I have about an hour in silence, so I'm going to try to finish off Jesus and call it a day because mentally I am exhausted. Having said that, I might work on the pattern in the evening. It's the evening and the kids are asleep and I'm just taking a break. I'm aching to start another crochet project at the moment, but I'm here designing my dress. Now, hear me out. In January, it is my 30th birthday, and it's been bearing on my mind that I want to make a crochet dress for myself for my 30th, but I couldn't make up in my mind what type of dress I want. I know that I want puffy sleeves or maybe bell sleeves and some sort of lace design. I like vintage feels dresses, but I'm not very sure about the skirt, how long it should be and how it maybe suits me. I am not a thin girl, so obviously I have to take care of my midsection because all these models you see are and I'm not, so I have to think very carefully. I like skated dresses. It's like the one I have on top. It's basically cinches down at the bottom of your breasts, so like that it gives it a flowy look and you hide all your problems. These are some of my designs at the moment. This is design number 1 and that's design number 2. That's the front and that's the back. And I was looking as well at some colors. My favorite color is blue, and whenever I think of this dress, for some reason I see it as a blue dress. So I went on to Ice Yarns, but their website is not working at the moment. So now I need to either head to bed or else cave in and start I think I'm going to start the Nostalgia dress by Crafter's Muse. By the way, it's 9:30 in the evening at the moment, but I do wake up at 5:30. So that's why I'm contemplating of going to bed. But I'm tempted to start working on some squares and watch the Gilmore Girls. I'm doing a patch test. I found some mohair, white mohair actually, and I had some cornflower blue yarn. It looks like grey at the moment, but it's actually blue. And I'm testing them both together. And I'm not sure if I like it or if I'm forcing myself to like it, but it's for the dress that I told you about for my birthday. I will take a shot with a better lighting maybe tomorrow, but it's sort of light blue, like snowflake. I think it looks good, and especially if it's in January, in season, although it does not snow in Malta. I'm excited, but I don't want to get too excited. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!